And it goes a little something like.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My monthly Allure box showed up on my step this morning, so I wanted to hop on here and do an unboxing for you guys. Now traditionally, I open it up and I am just as surprised as you are, but today I thought, you know what? Instead of just unboxing the products, I'm actually going to use some of the stuff that's in there so I can tell you a little bit about it. So without further ado, let's get started. But before I get to opening, if you are new here, please consider subscribing. I'd love to have you join my squad. Also, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. It really does help my channel. And let's just jump right on into it. So the Allure box goes for $23 a month. It used to be $15. I have a little sore spot about that. Anyways, yeah, so $23 a month. I believe with the upgraded, we were supposed to get 3 full-size items, a total of 6 to 7 items per box. You can go back if you haven't seen my other unboxings. When it first changed over to the $23 box, there was a rough couple of months. People were saying that they were getting the same products, but for a higher price, which I totally agreed with. But then the last 2 months, they kind of like, I don't know, like I felt like they were kind of stepping up. So let's see what they did with this month's box. Anyways, this is what it looks like, and you open it up and you have, with this is something new they added. So you get your little brochure. This, sorry about the light. There we go. No, it didn't help, did it? This brochure is going to tell you a little bit about the stuff inside of it. Unlike BoxyCharm, where it tells you, like, actually describes the product inside there, you're just going to get people who've used it, like, why they liked it and whatnot, and why they chose it for the box. It also has prices, but it only has the full-size prices, which doesn't apply most of the time. So this they just added, I feel like last month. They'll take one of like their the star item for the box, if you will, and they'll tell you like how to use it or more about it, kind of try to hype it up. I think they do that to make you forget that the rest of your box kind of sucks, but that's just me. Alright, so the first thing and the star of the box according to Allure this month, this is from a car skin. I really haven't seen a lot from this brand, like mainstream wise. They did put a sample size toner in a previous Allure box. It was alright, nothing super special, but this is the Restore Eye Serum. This is a full size, and wait till you hear the price, it's crazy. $85, but I've never seen anyone actually buy it, so it could be why it's in this subscription box, carrying it for the month. You do get 1/3 of an ounce. Let me show you the dropper because it's actually quite cool. And I think it has like vitamin C in it. It's supposed to like keep your eyelids not oily if you have oily eyelids. But this little button pops up here, and then it's like a dropper, which is kind of cool. This amount is gonna last forever because the directions say just a drop like on your finger, kind of warm it up, and then I used just that amount. I went like that and put it on both eyes. You're supposed to be able to use it like before you apply your makeup, and it's supposed to make your makeup last longer. So I will pin a comment and let you know if I seen any difference in my eye makeup or not. So next up, we have from Aveda, which is like a very well-known, I feel like, hair brand. This is their Botanical Repair Intensive Straightening Mask. You get under an ounce in here, so not a lot of product, clearly a sample size. It does have kind of a weird, like, almost like, like Aspercreme or like Bengay smell to me. Not super into it, but I will definitely give it a try. Why not? The full size of that is $44, and I think it's like 4 ounces or something, so that's worth about, I'd say, like $11. Supposed to be really good and protect your hair from like straightening and heat styling and stuff like that. So next we have a moisturizer. The brand is like Maapilum. I'm totally butchering it. It's Maapilum. This has hyaluronic acid and colloidal oatmeal. Jeez. This is for day and night use. It says you do get 1 fluid ounce. Now I did look this up. Because in here it's kind of showing it as being a full-size item. It says it's worth $49. However, this size is like $29. There is a 2-ounce size that is $49. So I caught you, Allure. You're not gonna buy me with that guy. Next, these are kind of cool. I've used these before, not this brand, but still nonetheless kind of excited. These are the Mighty Patch Duos. This is from Hero Cosmetics. They have several brands that you can get these in. It does have a day and a night. You get 6 of each. So the original is not transparent, and you put it on, you wear it overnight, and like it will help kind of like speed up the healing of a blemish. And then it also comes with 6 of them that are like totally clear that you can use during the day. And I've, like, I don't know, depending on what brand you get, they do stick on really, really well. And I've actually forgotten it was on my face before and put makeup over it. So I was like, why won't that, like, patch put foundation on? And then I figured it out. It was patch. Anyways, these are pretty cool. This, you could either receive this or a Power Glow Peel. So I'm really happy, actually, that I received these. 12 of these is $6.99. So I guess technically this is a full size. You're so shady. Anyways, next up from Cargo, what is it? Cargo Swimmables. So I'm assuming this is a waterproof. We have an eye pencil. It looks like this. I got the color Pfeiffer Beach, which is described as like a pearly raisin. Kind of sad I didn't get the brown kind of taupey colored one. You could also have gotten a black one. These are supposed to be $18. I did use this today when putting on my makeup. I did find it to be incredibly creamy, not super pigmented or dark. It's all right. I tried to put in my waterline, and I mean, I was able to, but it's just, it doesn't come through really like any color. It just kind of looks kind of grayish. And there, I will say it's staying. I don't know, I have a lot of eyeliners that have impressed me way more that I've gotten for like $7. But this is considered a full-size item. So last but not least, this was actually okay. From, I don't know if it's Cella Beauty or what, but we just have Cella. This is their La Vie Neutral Eyeshadow Palette. Now this... I think they're counting this as a full size as well. Technically, it is a travel size, which they do sell. So I guess it's a full travel size. I just spit at the camera, sorry. So I guess it's a full travel size. So you get 0.15 ounces or 4.4 grams of product. The colors are really pretty. I should show you before. It says, "Hello, beautiful" on the front. There we go. It's just a little teeny tiny guy. It's so cute. It's even smaller, just to put it in perspective, it's smaller than like the Animal Crossings palette. So here's an Animal Crossing palette from ColourPop, and here's this little travel palette. Whew. So obviously I used this look, or I used this eyeshadow palette to create this look today. The mattes, I was really pleasantly surprised. The mattes were really, really nice. The shimmers, I first tried applying them with a brush. No go there. They're just way too dry. So then I did go in with my finger, and it took quite a bit of building it up to get the desired effect, I guess. So not super impressed with the shimmers, but the mattes are nice, and I feel like just because of the packaging and how small it is and how well it stays put, this would be like a great one to throw in your purse. I kind of did more of a, I want to say dramatic, but a darker pigmented look, but you could totally tone it down too, and just have it, just a wash of color or something on your eyelids. The travel size, one of these goes for $25, and the full size, which is the same colors and everything, they're just bigger, goes for $45. So I'd like to say the things that I tried are okay. Like, I'm not mad at it. I'm not super disappointed with how they performed, other than those shimmers. And I like the zit patches. I see the eye primer toner from Makar, that seems okay. It went on, the eyeshadow applied perfectly over it, so that seems promising. The moisturizer seemed to have really good reviews on the site. The Maplum. How do you say it? If anyone knows how to pronounce it, you put it in the comments because it's going to drive me nuts. This seems really nice. The Aveda thing kind of stinks, but I'm sure it performs well because they make really nice products. So overall, like, I am happy with the box. However, my beef comes when we're supposed to be getting 3 full-size items and total like 6 to 7, total items. And I feel it's pretty chintzy for the items to always be like an eyeliner or a nail polish or something. When you're $23, you are competing with the big guns. I've said this before. You're competing with BoxyCharm. You're competing with Ipsy. And they're giving you 5 full-size products. So to me, my first impression before I had even used any of the products was that this month was kind of skimpy and kind of cheap on Allure's part. Sorry if that makes anyone mad. I was really bummed because I thought they had been like kicking butt the last 2 months, and I was really happy to see like how this was gonna go. Hopefully this is just like a little momentary setback, and next month will be a really good box. So I know everyone is kind of getting different stuff. Allure used to give everyone the same thing. So if you got something different in your box, please let me know what you got in the comments. I would love to know. And that's it for me. So have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.